understand me, understand. You don't understand me, understand me. Understand me, understand me, understand me, understand me. Niggas out here selling souls, you don't understand me. Understand me, understand me.
Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? This your boy 26 King Wavy, and today is a product review video. First, I was gonna go through all of these various products that I picked up over time, but I feel like that's a waste of you guys' time, but I'm not going to do that. It was more of a filler versus information. I'm just gonna get straight to it and tell you what I use. Wave brushes, Durags, what I recommend, what I don't recommend, but it's all about you. So today I just wanted to give my viewers a message, encouraging words, or some motivation. Never give up on your dreams, man. And don't tell too many people what you got going on. Just get out there and do it. I wanted to be in front of this camera. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I didn't tell anybody what I was doing, and I just went ahead and did it. You gotta stay motivated and you gotta stay active. And everybody might not agree with you, but it's okay. At the end of the day, you're doing something that you love to do. You don't want to be 60 years old looking back on life saying, yeah, I should have did this, I should have did that. You know, just jump out there and do it. You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it. Trust me, you can. Like, I got a lot going on right now with school, work, home, you know, kids, the whole nine. I'm dealing with a lot right now, but I still make time to do what I love to do. Even if I got one viewer, I'm gonna continue to push forward, because that's all I strive for, is just one viewer. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I told you before, I'm not going to go through all the wave products that I have. I'm just going to go through my favorites, and we're going to start off with the brushes. This is a medium brush. I want to say it's a soft brush because the bristles, I think it's 100% boar white bristles, very soft. It comes in handy for a fresh cut. It's not so hard on the head. I'm tender-headed. Like, you know, I got some medium and hard brushes. I cannot use that after a fresh cut. I need something soft. As your hair starts to grow, you're gonna notice that that soft brush, it's not doing it. Like, your hair is curling up, it's not laying down like you want it to. You gotta get you some medium brushes. Now that, you know, your hair started to grow, 4 weeks has passed, and you notice that you can no longer tame your hair. The soft brush doesn't work, the medium brush doesn't work. You got to get you a hard brush. With the whole woofing thing, woofing is when your hair starts to curl up and it's no longer laying down. Your hair starts to look crazy. You haven't got a cut in about 6 to 8 weeks, and you notice that, you know, you can no longer tame your hair. You need to get you a comb. If you want deep 360 waves, you need to comb your head. Don't be scared to comb your hair. You're going to get down there in them roots, and you're going to pull everything forward, and you're going to lift it from your scalp. So you're continuing to train your hair to lay down, and also you're detangling it, because, you know, it's starting to get nappy at that point. I got me a crown brush as well. You really don't need this brush. Like I said, these other brushes, you can use the tip of them to get your crown. Me, you know, I just love brushes, and this is simple and it's convenient. It fits in the palm of my hand, and it's a medium brush. So this brush feels like this one. Move on to the moisturizer. I got the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, the As I Am Double Buttercream, and some coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil. All right, so when you're working your waves, you don't need any products for waves technically, but if you want some nice, good, healthy hair, I recommend that you get you some moistures. You know, you want to keep your hair looking rich and look healthy. You know, a lot of folks out here with dry waves talking about, I don't need products, I don't need this, I don't need that.
Bye, Felicia.
But the hair is dried in the Sahara Desert, you know what I'm saying? And it's not a good look. To me personally, hard to maintain your hair. I recommend that you get this Cold Label Premium Woofing product. It helps you lay down your hair. Like I said, it's kind of a hard product, so before you put that in your head, you will want to place the hot rag on your head, then apply it, and then the hot rag on top of that, and then brush your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then apply your do-rag. Speaking of do-rags, I rock with the Silky. This is by So Many Waves. I think they have the best waves on the market.
Go!
Best waves. I believe they have the best do-rags on the market. They're personally my favorite. One of my viewers asked me, to go over, do I recommend the Durags? I think the Durags are cool. They got a Velcro, you know what I'm saying? They don't apply pressure to your hair, to your head. They don't apply pressure to your head like that. It just, when I'm asleep at night, they tend to fall off. So I don't buy them no more. I bought this one, because I call myself King Wavy and it got the crown on it. And I think it's dope. Polys tend to pull your hair.
When you sleep, I don't know, the static, the fabric, I don't know what it does, but it kind of like pulls on your hair a little bit. But the Silky is just...
It's smooth and it's right on top of your hair.
All right, wavers, so those are all the items that I use. Like I said, you still got to go through the process yourself and see what
best for you.
That's it. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like this video, comment, and tell me what you would like to see more of.
Keep these bitches out me. Get me posted in a spot, sometimes low key. Or with a pocket full of ones, watch a slow creep. So cheap, many niggas so cheap. Fake true ass nigga, you don't know me. Taliban